Man, I'm bored. I wonder what I should do. I know something. I will go try to destroy Domeless Engine's notebook replica props. Ha 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 ha.
Alright, let's go.
Alright, let's do this. Yes, all of them are destroyed. Now time to get out of here. I think I'll go work on making more notebook replicas. Oh no, what happened here? What happened to all of my other notebook replicas? Oh, Tyrone must have done it. That bitch is so gonna get it. Man, I'm bored. I wonder what I should do. Oh great, who's calling me? Hello, who is this? Michael, it's me, Domeless Engine. Oh hi Domeless, what's up? I heard you did good on making your handy-dandy notebook props. Well thanks and nothing much really on how I am. I'm just informing you about what your son Tyrone has done. Ugh, what has that little shit done this time? Your son Tyrone destroyed my notebook replica props, and I worked really hard on them, and I have to buy new materials to make new ones, thanks to him. He did what? Oh, that bitch is so gonna get it. Thanks for telling me, Domeless. I will ground him. Thanks for telling me. Bye. Tyrone. Get the fuck down here right now. Yes, Dad. Tyrone, did you freaking try to destroy Domeless Engine's notebook replica props? Tell me now. Yes. Oh my fucking god, Tyrone. How motherfucking dare you try to destroy Domeless Engine's notebook replica props? You know that he worked very hard on making them out of cardboard and wood, and he's trying to make all of them show accurate from different seasons and episodes from it. You big fat chungus. That is so fucking it. You are motherfucking grounded for life. Go to your motherfucking room now. You cunt. Fuck! I hate my fucking life so much.
No.
I am grounded, and I love penis and my motherfucking ass, and love to suck them 24/7. Tyrone. Shut the fuck up.